to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how we can log in on Binance account with the QR code. So the first step we need to do is go to the Binance page on your PC. On the part of login, you need to pick here in this button where said Get QR Code. So you pick here. And now you need to open your Binance account in the Binance app. You pick here, and now you need to pick the button of the QR code in the superior part of the app. And when the camera is open, you need to put on front of the QR code the camera, and you need to pick in Authorize. And now you need to wait for a few minutes. And the account is open or in your PC, and that's it. It's an easy process to do. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.